when you're thinking about investing in real estate, it is ultimately a business. It's not a hobby. And there's a very clear distinction between that. To be honest, I ran our business very much like a hobby for the first couple of years, not having enough systems, not knowing how to structure the deals, not having the best legal counsel. And over time, it's really caused me to hone in on what due diligence means. And there are so many complexities surrounding every single deal, from the time you find the deal to how you finance it. And the reality is there is risk involved. When we're investing millions of dollars into a different transaction, a lot of times we have to have multiple exit plans. And this is something that no matter how much you prepare, there is going to be the time where you're going to need the plan B, and then the plan C, and then the plan D. And sometimes you just get hit with the black swan event. And the reality is that when you're running a business and you have the right systems, sometimes you can mitigate for those risks. But a lot of times you also need to have strong leadership that's able to take you through the turbulent times. I can't tell you how many times we spent nights where we're not sleeping because we have deadlines we're trying to hit. We have a bank loan that's coming due. We're working on transactions, but we don't have enough time to really do all of our proper due diligence. To give you an idea, a lot of the assets we were picking up in the later part in the cycle, we were doing 4-day due diligences from start to close. You don't have enough time to bring professional services at that point. So we're having to recruit our best and most talented resources. We're calling favors from all over the nation. And ultimately, this kind of flexibility allowed us to win a lot of very high-profile deals. So as you start thinking about investing in this space and looking at different projects, you have to understand that it's not just, I'm going to go and put my money in this very cheap project that I see on the other side of the country. A lot of it comes down to who's running the project, what systems have they gone through, and ultimately, have they gone through a real estate cycle? I can't tell you the experiences that I've had going through 2006, 7, and 8, they've changed my entire perspective of how we run our business. It's made us maybe a little bit more cautious than we've needed to. It's also given us a lot more understanding and insight as to how we approach the later part of this cycle.